Hey, it's Noe with WTI. And if you have a MagSafe-compatible device, then you're going to love this magic mount from Scosche. My husband has an iPhone 16 and I have an iPhone 13 Pro. And we found that both of these devices worked great. I think it's great that it comes with a mount that you can put on your dash, or you can use the vent clip. My favorite thing is the car vent clip, which of course allows me to put it on any of my vents, whether I'm a passenger or a driver. But I also love that it's lightweight and easy enough for me to take on the go into another vehicle. The magnet on this magic mount is super secure. I love the fact that when I come into the car, my phone is no longer falling on the ground. I have a secure place to put it every single time. This is a slim and sleek design, which I absolutely love because it makes it easy to take with me. This can easily travel with me. So if you're looking to find a way to secure your phone while driving or to make it easy to navigate, then I would highly recommend this magic mount from Scosche. And that's my point of view.